Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. So today I have a really motivational video for you where I'm hoping to get lots done in 90 minutes. So if, like me, the football is on quite a lot in your household at the minute, it's just driving me insane. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind watching England, but it's all the other countries as well that we're watching. So I thought that I would essentially use that 90 minutes and get productive and get loads of stuff done. So I have a huge list of stuff that I want to try and work through, and I thought this was a great way to get it done and not procrastinate. So my plan is to mow the lawn, hang the washing out, clean the bathroom, empty the dishwasher, try and get the windows clean upstairs, just on the inside. I've got some clothes that I need to put away, and then just a couple of kind of bigger jobs as well. I need to descale the kettle, clean the microwave, and then dust and vacuum the playroom. So that is my list, and I'm going to see how much I can get through in 90 minutes. I decided to start with mowing the lawn, as wanted to get this done, well, one, before it rains, and two, before I hang the washing out. So I'm praying it doesn't rain, although the weather doesn't look that promising. Once I'd mowed the lawn, the washing was then done, so it was time to hang that out. I do always get quite a lot of questions about the pegs that I use as well. These are the Minky, I think they're called Minky Easy Grip or Minky Sure Grip pegs. I've tried loads of different pegs, and these pegs are amazing because they don't leave any kind of peg marks in clothes, and they are super grippy as well. Even for quite heavy things like towels, they never slip off.
Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get so lost in your eyes. It's like you're made of something pure that I'm not, but I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend.
Next up is descaling the kettle. So we have a coffee machine and generally only drink coffee, so don't use this very often. So it's got quite a lot. Ugh, look at that. Ugh. Definitely needs descaling. So I'm just going to empty the water out and then show you how I descale it. Honestly, how bad is that? This is definitely a job that is well overdue. So all I'm going to do is get some lemon juice. So you've just got some lemon juice here, and then pour that into the kettle. You just want it so it covers it, and then I'll just leave that in there for about 5 or 10 minutes whilst I get on with another job. Don't need to boil it, literally just leave it like so. So moving on to the dishwasher, there's still a few things that I needed to unload from the dishwasher and put away, and then I will get on and reload it. I really feel like I'm starting to get through my list now. I'm going to move on to the playroom. I actually had a huge sort out in here recently, and it's so much easier to keep tidy and organised now, as everything has a home. I will upload a video of that soon. So today, after a very quick tidy in here, I just wanted to dust and vacuum. I do still need to get proper labels for the cupboards and the drawers and everything in here where I've put things, but for now I've just put the post-its on there so I know exactly where everything goes. So that is the playroom done, and I'd almost actually forgotten about the kettle, so I ended up leaving this quite a while now, but as you can see it's worked so well. All of the lime scale has gone, so I just poured the water away and look at that, the kettle is like new. This is the best method that I have tried for cleaning the kettle, and because it's only lemon juice, there's no nasties or anything like that. So I'm 45 minutes down, and as per football I also thought that I would have a half-time break, so I'm just going to have a little rest and then drink some coffee. Now I'll drink this and then get back to it. After my half-term break I then headed upstairs to make a start on cleaning all of the windows. So today I'm just doing the inside, as we have a window cleaner that comes round and does the outside, and to be honest up here they don't really get that dirty anyway. So I'm using the Astonish window cleaner and then the Spondex window cloth, which comes with one microfiber cloth, it's basically the yellow one, and then another cloth, the green one, which you kind of buff off with. When they're not too dirty and just need a freshen up, this method works perfectly. That's the last of the windows done. Now on to the bathroom, and this always ends up taking much longer than I plan, but I've still got quite a bit of time left, so should be okay. So this is the main family bathroom, but we don't actually use it now that Tamsin, my eldest daughter, is travelling, as we just generally use the ensuite in our bedroom, apart from baths and things in here. So I generally only give this a clean once a week, and to clean it I'm just using the Flash bathroom spray, as I find this is the best product for getting rid of any water and scum marks, and then just using a minky. sink is done, I wiped over the windowsill and then cleaned the window and the mirror with the spray and the cloth that I did the windows with.
If love gets you high while I'm drowning in the city lights, drowning like the stars in the sky, calling out your...
To clean the toilet, I'm just using the Flora wipes, as I find these so handy for a quick toilet clean, and they are biodegradable too. Inside the toilet I use the Harpic bleach stuff, and then just always leave the brush in here, so just kind of resting in between the seat and the toilet, leave that there and then it will dry. I never really want to put it away wet. And then next I'm going to do the shower screens, which to be honest I do normally do when I'm in the shower, but as I mentioned I only really use this bathroom for baths, so it does kind of need doing. I'm just going to use the Scrub Daddy wand, which I actually keep in our ensuite shower, and I'll just fill it with 1/3 white vinegar, 1/3 dish soap and then 1/3 water. I find this is the perfect solution for cleaning the shower screen, getting rid of any soap scum or watermarks, and then I'll basically rinse it off using the Karcher vac for a streak-free finish. I just cleaned the outside of the glass with the glass cleaner and the cloth, as to be honest it wasn't really marked. I'll then move on to cleaning the bath, which in hindsight I really should have done this before I did these screens, but never mind. So again I'll use the Flash bathroom spray on the taps and the shower, and then I use the Flash bathroom, the one that you actually pour in the actual bath. I gave it a good scrub with the Minky and then rinsed it clean with the shower, popped the bits back on, and then that is the bath done. I added a new Febreze smelly thing, and that's the bathroom completely finished now, and as expected it did actually take me longer than what I thought it would, especially when I'm filming too. So that is the 90 minutes up, and I feel like I've actually got so much done. I managed to tick most things off of my list that I planned on doing today. I didn't actually do the microwave, so I've still got to clean the microwave, but to be honest that will take me like 5 minutes. And then I've got some clothes to put away, but yeah, you always underestimate how long things actually take, especially when you're filming. They seem to take literally double the amount of time when I'm filming. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video and it's given you some motivation in what you can get done in such a short amount of time if you just put your mind to it, don't procrastinate, set a timer, which is what I did, and yeah, you can get so much done. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye!